Are you looking for a quality realism tattoo artist near you? A Tattoo Collector's Guide to Helping You Find Quality Realism Artists Near You, by Jordan Feno, is the answer to the question that I get asked the most. What's inside? 63 pages. 60 photos. Over 900 quality artists in the United States. A state-by-state list of quality realism tattoo artists in the United States, including the city and state the artist works. Includes Instagram name and their specialty. Author's personal tips for landing an appointment with in-demand artists. His journey as a tattoo collector. Whether you're thinking about getting your first tattoo, or you're like the author, and are working on a full-body suit, this guide will give you a comprehensive list of quality realism artists in the United States. The guide includes over 900 talented artists. Get your guide today.